So, if you concerned about brand loyalty or have been thinking about how can I have one, don't overthinking, you can borrow it. Here's how. I'm Mutita Panmook, your business operations strategist, aka the time queen from Get UNSTUCK Method. So, brand loyalty. How can we have a brand loyalty followers who buy anything we sell? Such an ideal situation, right? Here's the thing. There are two types of brand loyalty that we can create. One is emotional connections between us and the customer who are our loyalty. Another way though is rational part. So your product or service is so good that they couldn't deny that it's so good that they would keep buying it from you, and no competitors would compete from your product or service because it's that good and they have no other option in the market that they will choose instead of yours. That's it, easy. So these two ways of brand loyalties, that's how you earn them. Here's the thing, thinking about personal branding perspective, I know that you have heard about KOL or key opinion leaders or influencers who could influence your potential customer, right? So thinking about it, if you have a KOL in your mind and your potential customer in their hand, so the way that this works is that you hire the KOL and you give them your product for them to refer, to review, so that the people, the followers will repurchase from you, because the KOL already had the personal branding that make the follower believe in whatever they say. You see, emotion connect, and then whatever they buy, whatever they refer, whatever they review, it causes the emotional connection between the personal branding and the product itself. Think about it. And if your product is that good, you could then also get the rational reason to become the royalty with repurchasing, right? So this is the best way and the fastest way to make brand loyalty by borrowing other people's branding. What do you think? Comment below.